I got every one of Itel's P55 series. I have the P55T, the P55 and the P55 Plus. Let's review the P55 Plus, which cost 143,400 naira. The P55 Plus comes with a 5,000 mAh big battery. It can charge at 45 watts, which Itel calls power charge, and it has 3 charging modes: the 45 watt hyper charge, smart charge, and low temperature charge. The P55 Plus can go from 0 to 65% in just 30 minutes in the 45 watt hyper charge mode. You won't be needing a charger with this device everywhere you go. I mean, 5,000 mAh can last you all day and it charges really fast. The P55 has a leather finish on the back, and on the top side we have a flashlight and 2 massive cameras, with the main camera being a 50 megapixel camera, and on the front we have an 8 megapixel camera. I expected a 32 megapixel camera on this model, but Itel gave us 8 megapixels. The P55 Plus also comes with 128 gigs or 256 gigs of internal storage and 16 gigs of RAM, which is 8 gigs plus an expandable 8 gigs of RAM, and it comes with a 6.6-inch screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. For the performance of the P55 Plus, it comes with Android 13 and an octa-core chipset, which is the UNISOC T606. You'll be able to play games like Call of Duty and PUBG, just not at the max settings, and with regular usage, the processor would handle tasks just fine. It's a budget device, and for the price of 143,000 naira, I think that's alright. Next, we'll talk about the P55. Ciao guys.